Shenzhen Sunyuan Technology Company Limited was established in September 2002 and is headquartered in Shenzhen. The company has over 100 employees and boasts 22 years of R&D experience in the field of analog signal isolation, amplification, and transmission, specializing in the manufacturing of precision and advanced equipment. Our product range includes smart industrial sensors, DC-DC power modules, isolated amplifiers, and two-wire instruments, all of which are certified to meet RoHS, CE, ISO 9001, and TÜV safety standards. Our solutions are designed for the rail transit, unmanned vessels, drones, electric vehicles, smart grid, and renewable energy markets, and also excel in industrial automation, robotics, process control, medical equipment, security monitoring, broadcasting equipment, and military applications.